Hello, my name is Keshwani. That's K-E-S-H-W-A-N-I, Keshwani. We are here because we want to learn algebra. Today is our lesson number 105. Lesson number 105. We are in the process of learning how to solve word problems from day number 101 through 200. The 100 days, the second half of the semester, is what we're going to learn, where we're going to learn how to solve word problems. Here's a question for today. The question is, how far can a person walk in H hours, and H of course is some numbers, we do not know what it is, at the rate of k kilometers per hour. And if you like, for those of you who are still not used to the metric system, if you like, you can substitute miles. It is not going to change anything. How far can a person walk in H hours at the rate of k miles per hour or k kilometers per hour? Well, how do we solve it? Well, the simplest and the easiest way to solve a problem like this in the beginning, when you are not used to the algebra language of the algebra, is to simply make up numbers. Plug in numbers for the variables and see how it works out, because when you plug in numbers for the variables, it turns into an arithmetic problem. And once it turns into an arithmetic problem, you can see how that works, and whatever logic works with the arithmetic problem, same logic should apply in the algebra problem. Let's say, for example, we know that so here's our solution. We know that in 1 hour, he will walk k kilometers. How do we know that? Because we are told that he's walking k kilometers per hour. It says the person, let's just give it a masculine gender. So if the person is going at k kilometers per hour, then obviously in 1 hour he will go k kilometers. How far will he go in 2 hours? In 2 hours, he will go 2 times the amount. He will go 2 times the amount. 2 times k kilometers. How far will he go? How far will he go in 5 hours? In 5 hours, he will go 5 times the amount. In other words, if he's walking at 10 kilometers per hour, well, at the rate of 10 kilometers per hour, in 5 hours, he should go 50 kilometers. 10 times 5. If he's walking 3 kilometers per hour, for 5 hours, he should go 3 times 5. 3 times 5. 3 kilometers per hour times 5. How far will he go in 10 hours? In 10 hours, he will go 10 times k kilometers. Here, similarly, here we are asked in H hours. Similarly, in H hours, he will go H times k kilometers. Voila. There is your answer. There is your answer. And if you like, we can plug in numbers to verify our work. Let's plug in numbers. Let's plug in numbers to verify our answer. Just plug in anything that you like. Anything at all that you like. For example, you can say, how far can a person walk in 3 hours? Let's plug in 3 for H at the rate of 4 kilometers per hour. So here we have changed the question. We have changed the question from an algebra question, from an algebraic question to an arithmetic question. Now the question reads, how far can a person walk in 3 hours if he's walking at the rate of 4 kilometers per hour. Well, if he's walking 3 hours and he's going 4 kilometers per hour, then in 3 hours he should go 4 times 3. He should go at 3 kilometers per hour. So now I'm doing this work here. We're doing the numbers, plugging in numbers right here. In 3 hours, he should go 3 times 4 kilometers if he's walking. If he's walking at the rate of 4 kilometers per hour. Makes sense. In 3 hours, he should go 3 times 4 kilometers because he's walking at the rate of 4 kilometers per hour. At the rate of 4 kilometers per hour, in 3 hours, you'll go 3 times 4, 12, which is same as what we got here. Our 3 here, remember our 3 is h, and our 4 is k. There you go. H times k, there you go. How far will he go? How far will he go? At the rate of k kilometers per hour. If he's walking for h hours, he should go k times h. There we go. K times h or h times k, same thing. This is how many kilometers he will go. That's all. That was the end of the problem. I will see you tomorrow on day number 105. We'll keep checking along, and as I told you before, they're going to get a little bit more difficult as we get towards, as we get closer to 200, as we get in the mid. Think of this as a range of, scale of 1 to 100. On a scale of 1 to 100, this was only number 5. And obviously, if the problem is 5 on a scale of 1 to 100, then that's pretty simple. So the first 30 questions are going to be sort of very simple. The next 40 or so are going to be medium, and the last 30 are going to be a little bit more challenging. But we'll get there. Okay, I'll see you tomorrow on day number 106. Okay.